Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the usefulness of drinking coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for good reason. It has been enjoyed for centuries and has many benefits that we'll explore in this video. So sit back, grab a cup of your favorite brew, and let's dive into the world of coffee. Number 1. The benefits of coffee. Coffee is much more than just a delicious beverage. It has numerous benefits that can help improve your health and well-being. Let's take a look at some of the key benefits of coffee. Boosts energy and alertness. One of the most well-known benefits of coffee is that it helps boost energy and alertness. This is due to the caffeine content in coffee, which is a natural stimulant. Caffeine helps to block the effects of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that can make you feel tired and sleepy. By blocking the effects of adenosine, caffeine helps to increase energy levels and improve alertness. Improves cognitive function. In addition to boosting energy and alertness, coffee can also help improve cognitive function. Studies have shown that caffeine can help improve mental clarity, focus, and memory. This is why many people drink coffee in the morning to help them start their day and stay focused throughout the day. Reduces the risk of certain diseases. Coffee has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain diseases. For example, studies have shown that coffee can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, liver disease, and Parkinson's disease. It is believed that the antioxidants in coffee are responsible for these health benefits. May help with weight loss. Another benefit of coffee is that it may help with weight loss. This is because caffeine has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Additionally, coffee can help suppress appetite, which can lead to reduced calorie intake. Number 2. How to maximize the benefits of coffee. Now that we've explored some of the key benefits of coffee, let's take a look at how you can maximize these benefits. Limit your intake. While coffee has many benefits, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Drinking too much coffee can lead to negative side effects, such as jitters, anxiety, and insomnia. It's recommended that you limit your coffee intake to no more than 400 milligrams per day, which is roughly equivalent to 4 cups of coffee. Drink black coffee. If you're looking to maximize the health benefits of coffee, it's best to drink it black. Adding sugar, cream, or other additives can negate the health benefits of coffee and add unwanted calories. If you don't like the taste of black coffee, try adding a splash of almond milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Choose high-quality coffee. Not all coffee is created equal. To maximize the health benefits of coffee, it's important to choose high-quality coffee beans. Look for coffee that is organic and free from pesticides and other chemicals. Additionally, choose coffee that is freshly roasted and ground, as this will ensure that the coffee is at its peak flavor and quality. In conclusion, coffee is much more than just a tasty beverage. It has numerous benefits that can help improve your health and well-being. From boosting energy and alertness to reducing the risk of certain diseases, coffee is a great addition to any healthy lifestyle. To maximize the benefits of coffee, remember to limit your intake, drink it black, and choose high-quality coffee beans. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.